Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the source Google Photos. Open Settings and tap Partner Sharing, then add the other account's email. Choose whether to share all photos or only from a specific date and decide if face groups should be included. Do this now so the connection is established. It's faster than exporting. Once you add the partner, Google sends an invite to the other account. This step links libraries without duplicating files on the source, and it preserves albums, timestamps, and quality. You switch to the target Google account and accept the partner sharing invitation. This is essential for access. Once accepted, open Photos settings and enable Save to Library so shared images are copied into the target account automatically. Make sure to review face group and person settings. Turning these on will help organize similar faces. Also, check album visibility and device backup settings, because if you leave automatic backup on for both accounts, you may create duplicates on your devices. You finish by confirming the target library shows the expected photos and albums. Allow time for sync, especially for large libraries. Make sure the target account has enough storage because saved shared photos count toward its quota. Free space matters. If you notice missing items, duplicates, or failed syncs, revoke partner access and re-add it, or use Google Takeout to export and import full archives. One key tip: clear cache. Sign out and back in on both accounts before retrying to resolve common glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.